Hi everyone. So today I'm going to give some tips on which is the ideal area when you're going to do extraction from a beard area. So most of my patients come in who happen to be not a very good candidate in the sense that their donor limitation is there, maybe because their donor area don't have enough hair for us to extract, or rather sometimes they already done 1 or 2 hair transplant and the area there do not have enough hair for us to extract again. And then we look at what are the other good areas that can be a donor area that we can actually extract the hair out and put it on top of the scalp area. And that is when we look at the donor area, the beard donor area. So many patients do ask me, doctor, I have a lot of hair here, can we do it? Yes, of course we can do it. So this is today a small video on tips which is the ideal area that we can actually extract and harvest the hair from the face of a man. So the man, if you look at the right side and the left side, is divided into 8 sections. 8 sections this side and 8 sections this side. This small diagram will show that one side of the man, and that is the area that I'm going to explain that is ideal for extraction for the beard. Now the areas is divided into 8 again. Sorry, if you look at it, the areas number 1, number 2, the side here, and number 3 here is not ideally, we do not extract and harvest the grafts from there. And then we go to area 4, that is the lower end, the sideburn. We definitely do not want to extract here because it's part of the sideburn, and later patient may decide to keep his sideburn longer, so that happens to be not an ideal area to extract the grafts from. Now ideal areas are this area number 6 and this area number 7, that is below the jawline. You can take plenty from there, no issue, but always remember beard hair grafts are always single hair. So in that way the donor area at the back definitely has a bigger advantage because you can take a graft with single, double and triple hairs. Okay, now number 6, 7 I told you is a good area, and then we go to number 8 here, just above this. Normally people have a good area of beard here, that is number 5. Definitely we can harvest from there. And sometimes even number 8, this area slightly higher up, most people have a lot of hair there, and even those with beard normally shave that area because they don't want this area to be messy and they cannot redefine their beard properly. So that is another ideal area that you can harvest your beard hair from. So this is a small video again to give you tips of where the area you can harvest and where the areas that you do not wish to harvest your hair from the beard. So I hope you do understand this video of mine, and do follow me for more tips on hair. Thank you.